Hello, my name is Thomas and today I will show you how to receive and validate your promo code. Please note that this tutorial might contain outdated promotions, however the setup is still the same. Step 1. Click on the Claim Here button. As you can see, you need to enter your first name and your email, and once you've read the Openprovider privacy policy, click on the Accept button and claim now. Step 2. Check your inbox for the mail. If you can't find a mail, please refresh your inbox or check your spam box. Once you've found the mail, you'll see that it contains 3 different promo codes. During account creation, you opted for a currency to your liking. This can be in Euro, US dollar or British pound. More on how to find your currency in step 5 of this video. You need to click on the same promo code as the currency of your OP account and you'll be automatically redirected to the RCP login page. Here you only need to log in and purchase the membership plans that suits your need. If in any event you've experienced difficulties in the automated redirecting process, please use the following steps. Step 3. Once you've copied your correct promotion code, which is in line with your account currency, go back to openprovider.com and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner. Step 4. Log in using your account credentials, or if you do not have an account, please click the sign up button on the upper right hand corner and follow the sign up steps. Step 5. When logged into the reseller control panel, you'll be welcomed by the dashboard. Here you find your available account balance. The balance will always be shown in the currency that you've opted for, meaning that if you ever forgot your currency, you just have to look at your available account balance and that will show you the currency that you've chosen. Step 6. Enter the promo code which relates to your account currency and press enter on your keyboard or the claim button. Step 7. If the bar changed to applied successfully, go to the membership plans page found in the menu on the left. Step 8. Since this code was only applicable for the basic membership plans, we scroll down to the basic plan and click on select. As you can see, all the memberships in the basic plan have been discounted by 50% and you can purchase the one that suits your needs. This is how you validate your promo code at Openprovider, and now you're all set to validate your own promo codes. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team, who are available to you 24/7, or check out another tutorial video. Thank you for your time and welcome to Openprovider.